Okay, next part is weighted average. Again, I kind of pre-filled in some of these things, but so for the interest of time. All right, so we made a purchase here, $400 with beginning inventory, so then I'll add the 400 units over here at $55. 22,000. All right, now we have a sale, 420 units. This is where you have to take a step back. You have to do some calculating, all right? So what you really have to do at this point is you have to calculate how many units you have and the total dollar amount of those units. So this is going to be 500 units total. And it's going to be 5,000 plus 22,000. That's going to be 27,000. This is the value of your inventory, or the cost of your inventory, and the number of units total at this point in time, which is March 9th when you do a sale. Then you take the 27,000 total cost and you divide by the number of units to come up with a per unit amount of $54. So 27,000 divided by 500 units is going to give you a new unit amount of $54. Okay, that's basically the average of these, but it's called weighted because it's based on the number of units. And I'm going to use that $54 to come up with my cost of goods sold. So my cost of goods sold, I sold 420 units at $54 each was the cost. That's my new average cost. Okay, so 420 times $54 is equal to $22,680. And it's just $1 amount, and that's all I need to worry about for weighted average. Over here, what do I have left over? Well, I had 500 units at $54. Now I have that minus the 420. So that means I have remaining in my inventory 80 units at my new average of $54. And I'll put that down. So 80 times $54 is $4,320. All right, I go out, I make 2 more purchases. I'm going to go ahead and add these to the mix for my inventory. So 120 units at $60, and I will put down $60. 7,200, and then 200 units at $62. Total amount 12,400. Okay, then I have a sale March 29th, and my sale was 160 units. That's total amount that I sell. So again, I'm going to have to do a calculation. I have to total up how many total units I've got. So if I total up my number of units, I've got 200 plus 200, that's 400 total here. And then my dollar amounts, I need to use the calculator for that. So I got 4,320 plus 7,200 plus 12,400, and that's equal to 23,920. So this is the total cost of my inventory. These are the total number of units I have in inventory. I need to come up now with an average amount by taking the dollar amount divided by the number of units. So 23,920 divided by the total number of units of 400. And that's going to give me a new average cost amount of $62. I'm sorry, no. $59.80. So $59.80. Let me double check that. I had 23,920 right there. Divide that by 400. Yep, $59.80, and I'll use that now to multiply over here for the sale. So if I sold 160 units, so it's going to be 160 units times my new average cost of $59.80. That gives me 9,568. That also gives me a new inventory amount. So I had 400 in inventory. I sold 160. What do I have left in inventory? 240. Right? 400 minus 160 is 240. Then I used my 59.80. So 240 times 59.8 equals 14,352. And the nice thing is, I've now calculated my ending inventory. It is 14,352, and I have 240 units. Guess what, folks? That's the same number I came up with. Where did it go? Ah, right here. 240 units in ending inventory. There's 240 units in ending inventory. Over here, I totaled up everything. 420 plus 160 is 580. So 580 units in cost of goods sold, which is the 580 units here that agrees with my units that I sold. Okay. Then I just total up $2 amounts over here, and that will be 22,680 plus 9,568 equals 32,248. And I put down here cost of goods sold, 32,248. My ending inventory amount, 14,352. Total it up. How much do you want to bet? It's going to come up to be 46,600. Let's see. That's 0. That's 0. Carry the 1. That's going to be 6. That's going to be 6. That's going to be 4. 46,600, 46,600. Boom. Made it perfect.